In this video, I am going to discuss the most important questions about thymus glands which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा अपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1 is thymus gland is derived from the embryonic layer ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, both ectoderm and mesoderm. So correct answer is option C. Thymus gland is derived from embryonic endodermal layer. Question number 2. The structure of thymus gland is bilobed, trilobed, single lobe, without any lobes. So correct answer is option A. The structure of thymus gland is bilobed structure. Question 3. Which of the following gland is located between the lungs? Thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus glands, pineal gland. So correct answer is option C. Thymus gland is located between the lungs. Question 4. Thymus gland play important role in osmotic balance, immunity development, sleep-awake cycle, in controlling blood pressure. So correct answer is option B. Thymus gland play important role in immunity development within the body. Question 5. With the passage of time, the size of thymus gland increases, remains constant, decreases, none of these. So correct answer is option C. With the passage of time, the size of thyroid gland is decreases. Question 6. Corpuscles of Hassall's are found in thyroid gland, pancreas, thymus gland, adrenal gland. So correct answer is option C. Corpuscles of Hassall's are found in thymus glands in the medulla of thymus glands. These are named so because they were discovered by Arthur Hassall's in 1849. Question 7. Thymus glands secrete which hormone? Thyroxine, thymosin, melatonin, insulin. So correct answer is option B. Thymosin is the hormone that is released from thymus gland. Question 8. What is thymus? A large ductless gland, a synthetic substance, a lymphoid organ, a regulatory substance. So correct answer is option C. Thymus gland is a large lymphoid organ. Question 9. Thymus gland was discovered by Hagboom, Splanzani, Liederberg, Jacques Miller. So correct answer is option D. Thymus gland was discovered by Jacques Miller. Question 10. Thymosin is responsible for stimulating the development of B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, monocytes, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Thymosin hormone is responsible for stimulating the development of T lymphocytes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें। तो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन 11 जो कि है व्हाट इज़ द टारगेट ऑर्गन ऑफ थाइमोसिन हार्मोन? डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट, ब्लड प्लाज्मा, lymph capillaries, lymph nodes. So correct answer is option D. The target organ of thymosin hormone is actually the lymphoid organs such as spleen and lymph nodes. So correct answer is option D, lymph node. Question 12. When does the thymus reaches its maximum weight of 1 ounce? In childhood, never reach at 1 ounce. In adulthood, at puberty. So correct answer is option D. Thymus gland reaches its maximum weight of 1 ounce at the time of puberty. Question 13. Maturation of T lymphocytes takes place in liver, thymus gland, spleen, pancreas. So correct answer is option B. Maturation of T lymphocytes takes place in thymus gland. After maturation through thymus gland, T lymphocytes are released and they are stored in spleen and lymph nodes. Question 14. Thymus gland plays an important role in cellular immunity, autoimmunity, humoral immunity, active immunity. So correct answer is option A. Thymus gland plays an important role in cellular immunity. Question 15. Decline or disappearance of thymus gland in the middle age is responsible for aging, loss of reflexes, responsible for hyperimmunity, responsible for dementia. So correct answer is option A. According to one of theories, the decline or disappearance of thymus gland in the middle age is responsible for aging. तो ये थे 15 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट थाइमस ग्लैंड विच कम्स इन डिफरेंट कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।